Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing great at home. Previously we have started our exercise 1C and up to question number 3 we have already discussed. Today we will start from question number 4, that is write the place value of both 3's in the number. The number given is 3,25,316. So first of all we will write the number according to the periods. Now place this number in this place value chart. The last 3 digits will come in the ones period, that is 3, 1, 6. Next 2 digits will come in thousand period. 5 will be at the thousand place and 2 will be at the 10,000 place and 3 will be at lakh place. Okay, now they have asked us to find the place value of both the 3's. One 3 is here and the second 3 is at the lakh place. So what will be the place value? That is for this 3, that is 300, and for this 3, for the second 3, the place value is 3 lakh. Now don't forget to place the commas according to the period. So this was our question number 4. Moving on to question number 5. Now the next question number 5 is in 7,83,851 how many times is the 8 on the left greater than the 8 on the right? In this question they are asking, we are having number 783,851, that is 7,83,851. Now they are saying this 8 is how much time greater than this 8. So what we have to do, just go for the place value. What is the place value of, what will be the place value of this 8? The place value will be 800. Now again, what will be the place value of this 8? The place value of this 8 is 80,000. Now look, as we have done in the question number 2, we have discussed in class also that with what we should multiply so that they both can become equal. So now the question here comes, with what we should multiply 800 so that we can get the 80,000. So it's 100. Or in simple language we can say the 80,000 is greater than, how much time is greater than the 800? That is 100 times. Or you can write 100 times. Okay. So now the next question is question number 6. So in question number 6, you have to do write the period and place value of the following digits. Look at the A part. There is 89542, but first of all you have to write them according to the period. How we will write according to the period? We will according to the period means you have to place the commas according to the period. 89542, we will go for ones, tens, 100, and then is 1000. 1000 is the next period, so we will place here commas, and we will go for the place value of 9. So what will be the place value of 9? That is 9. How many digits are there? 3. So we will write them as 0. Okay. Now in the next part, there is circle on the 7, that is D part. B and C part you will do on your own. In this, first of all write the number. Place the commas, ones, tens, 100 here. Then 1000, then 10,000, then is lakh. So here we will go for the 7. So what will be the place value of 7? That is 700. Now the next we are going to do is part number F. Part E you will do by your own. First of all write this number 7, 6, 5 4 2 1. Now place commas, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Now we will go for the place value of 2. How many digits are after 2? Only 1. So will be place value of 2 is 20. So B part, C part and E part you will do by your own. Now the question number 7, the last question. In this question you have to mark the period and then write the place value of the circle digit. The first they have already done for you. Let me tell you the B part, and C part and D part you will do by your own. Okay. So in B part they have given 789, 543 and the circle digit is 7. First of all, write it according to the place value chart, or we can say according to the period. 8 9 5 4 3. Now place comma, ones, tens, 100 here, then 1000, 10,000, after there is lakh. This is period. Now the next is place value. So here is place value at the lakh position. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 7. Now 0 0 0 0 0. And you have to represent this number on the abacus also. So draw the abacus for this number, and so we are having this number, we will represent this number on the abacus. That is, in the ones we are having, on the ones place we are having 3, so we will place here 3 circles. On the tens place we are having 4, so we will place 4 circles. Next we are having 5, 3, 4, 5. Next we are having 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. On the 10,000 place we are having 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the lakh place we are having 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is how you have to draw the abacus in your fair notebook, and you have to complete 1C also in your fair notebook. Last question number 7, C and D part you will do by your own. Okay, and tomorrow during Google Meet class I will ask you few questions, and make sure you will complete 1A, 1B and 1C in your fair notebook. And if I having any kind of doubt, we will discuss during Google Meet class. Okay, thank you.